there? You there? Yes, we are live. Marcus Body Coding Live. Are you excited? We're going to get every day, cha-ching. Remember, you see, we do no excuses. Yeah. And today, we're doing a combination. Yes, cross 4 and top 7. You ready? First, watch for yourself. Let's go. Yes, this is the move. Let's do it together. Are you excited? Yeah, I switched the cameras. Let's go and do it together. Ready? With the left, we open, we cross, we open. Now we do top, top, top. Yeah. Now with the right, we open, we cross, we open, and we do tap, tap, and tap. Not switching the weight. Now with the left, we open, we cross, we open, and we do tap, tap, tap. Now with the right, we open, cross, and open, and yes, tap, tap, tap. Now with the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, amazing. This was the move. But you know what? Let's do it face to face. I want to see you. You ready? Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in the mirror. And of course, keep practicing. Let's go. Starting with the left again. Let's go. We open. We cross. We open. We tap, tap, and tap. Yeah. With the right. We open. We cross. We open. And we tap, tap, and tap. Yeah. With the left. Open, cross, open, tap, tap, tap. Yeah. With the right. Open, cross, open, tap, tap, tap. Now with the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, let's add the hand. Something simple. Let's track the feet with the hand. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah. Let's do it together. Open, close, open. Tap, tap, tap. Opposite hand. Yeah. Right. 1, 2, 3. That hand. 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this is the move. This is the move. I'm so glad that you joined me here in this lovely day in Cambodia, just near the river. But I would be even more happy if you want to join me in the studio for the full free, forever free tutorial. Yeah. Today we practice a combination cross 4 and tap 7. Yeah. So don't you want to join me in the studio working with the full tutorial? But how can you do that? Check the links above, below, to the sides. And if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel. Yeah. And search for the moves cross 4 and tap number 7. Yeah. And practice with me in the studio for free anytime you want. Yeah. And remember to practice this video, the video on YouTube, wherever you are, practice them and do them today. Why today? So you can do it in the evening, in the party, whatever party it is, because these are universal moves. Universal means that you can do them in any style that you want. Hip hop, salsa, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, samba, samba. Yeah, all of them and more. Universal moves. So either way, practice this move today. Do it today. Master it today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Focus bodybuilding live. Yeah. So I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow with a new footwork. See you tomorrow then.